Yeah, so to add someone's name in, we used the insert function across the ribbon at the very top. We went along to input and then we did a data entry of text. So you have one for text and then you have one for numeric values. So we used the text entry here and we'd just draw the box that we wanted to. So I'm just put this one next to the one that we currently have. We would put in any value we wanted here or any text that we wanted here. Once this is entered and being inputted into your storyline file, you'll be able to see that this is called text entry. You can see it across the timeline as well. And so you would just refer back to this value here. So this name that's been generated here in the triggers. So for example, text entry 31, you could then do some text and then let's just remove this text. We would do a percentage sign text entry 31 and then another percentage sign. Once you click that over here, it would change the text to a different color. That is where the name would appear once the users entered their name into the field that you've just created.